Hey guys, Chris Conkle here. If you want to know what the top 5 drywall tools are, then stay tuned, that's coming right up. Hi, my name is Chris Conkle. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about helping you master construction so you can be industry leaders. I'm going to be telling you today what the top 5 drywall tools are. Essential tools every drywaller must have. Stay to the end of the video and I'm going to give you a couple extra tips. Okay, so tool number 1, utility knife. You need a good utility knife. I recommend the 25mm Olfa knife with the steel blades, not the black ones. Tool number 2 is a Tsquare. Every drywaller must have a Tsquare. So tool number 2, Tsquare. 3, cordless screw gun. You need a good, strong cordless screw gun. No more cords. I do not use cords at all anymore. Cords are a thing of the past. Tool number 4, the cordless router. You need to have that. Like I said, cords are a thing of the past. So yeah, tool number 4. Tool number 5. You might not even have thought of this as a drywaller. Tool number 5 is a line laser. You need to have a line laser. Why? So you can level your sheets, right? And you can mark elevations and everything like that. So laser is the number 5 most important tool every drywaller should have. And go healthy. Okay, so a trick for when you're using your knife and your Tsquare. Okay, don't pull at your pencil. Just mark, say, I'm gonna do 6 inches with your knife. So you see the mark, you don't have to put your knife back in your pouch. Tsquare goes on. Pinch the bottom with your foot and make sure it's tight. Push in with your thumb as you go down the Tsquare. Push in so the actual ruler part doesn't come out and mess up your line. Simple as that. And there you go. There's a trick. Yeah, trick number 2, always have screws in your hand ready to go and lock off your screw gun like this. Damn you. Alright, that's the top 5 drywall tools. So, and a couple extra tips. I hope you guys learned a little something. If you're new to Chris Conkle Vlogs, make sure you subscribe right down below. Hit that bell notification icon so you don't miss when I go live every single Sunday and throughout the week. YouTube thinks you might like this video right here, so give it a watch. I put another playlist down there below that for you. This is Chris, everyone. Bye for now.